So I have seen all the trailers and stuff. So like I'm not completely new to Sons of the Forest, but I still haven't seen a lot of stuff, so I'm not gonna fake reactions or anything. It's pretty cool though. Fisheye. What are you looking at me for? Look at him, he's dancing, he's listening to music. He likes this. I've also played just the normal forest, so hopefully some stuff is similar to the normal forest. I'm gonna refer to the first part as the normal forest because I don't really know what else to call it. I mean, to be fair, I could just call it the forest. And here we go. Fight demons. Which demons? Maya. Whoa. Okay, we're being shot at. Okay. Great. Hold on, guys. Oh, crap. Oh. Oh. Oh, crap. You alright? Who is that? Fisheye and Kelvin. Whoa! Oh, no! Oh! Ah! Okay, this is not the animation I saw. Oh, crap. Okay, there's no way anyone survives that. Is that gonna hit me? Oh! Okay. How would I just live? Ow, dude. Yo, no. No. Alright. Okay. Great. Why is this in the snow? I thought it'd be on, like, normal grass. There. Yeah, I think this is the time to open it. Can we just talk about how I survived a helicopter just crashing into me? And a guy just bashing a gun on my face? Oh. Oh, buddy. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. I've seen this. His eardrums are blown out. Hey, Kelvin. Okay. How do I... Aha. Follow me. Why am I so aggressive with them? Let's go, buddy. C4 bricks. Huh. Dude. This is so cool. Oh, there it is. The normal spring parts. I don't know if there's a temperature. Hold on. Kelvin? Where's Kelvin? Oh, I have a mini-map. Hey, Kelvin. Come on, bro. We gotta go. Watch out, it's steep down here. What is he? Where are you going? think he's trying to find a way down, but he's too scared to go down the really steep hill. Come on. Kelvin. Nah, he's just gonna go do his own thing, I guess. Yep, I got this. A lighter, guidebook, tactical axe, and oh, GPS tracker. Perfect. So I guess we can see the whole map, surprisingly. I did hear that the map would be humongous, so I guess this is pretty fair. But I hope Kelvin finds a way down here. Yummy. Oh, no, not yummy. Okay. Ooh, stick. Let's go. My weapon. Wow. Wonder if you can still make a spear out of 2 sticks. Oh. No, I need a knife and... What is that? Duct tape? Oh, that is so cool. I can now defend myself. And I'm not afraid. Kelvin, buddy, you really did not have to take that route, bro. Don't touch your ears, man. Alright, let's go. There's a exclamation point over here, so I guess I'm gonna go to that. What's that? Blueberries? Oh! Yeah, I see him. Alright, let's just go. We're approaching the purple exclamation point now. Is that my GPS? Why is it doing that? Ah, nah. It's about to blow up. Ew. Is that the guy who shot us? Or tried to shoot us? Crap. Why'd I do that? I am so stupid. Okay, stop. I'm up here. More liquor. Or wine. Oh! Aha. I also need to get my spear back. Hopefully I don't die doing this. Ah, okay. I already die. Kelvin? Whoa.